Hello, in this video we are going to review properties of logarithm. There are four properties. Let's begin with the first one. If we have log of base b of 1, it's always equal 0. And if we take log base b of b, then it's always equal 1. So that would be property number 1. Let's move on to property number 2. If we have the sum log base b of m plus log base b of n, we can combine. So we can find the sum of the two logs. So it become log base b of m times n. So that will be how to find the sum of the two logs. Property number 3. If we want to find the differences, so if we want to find the differences of two logs, we can so log base b of m minus log base b of n will be log base b of m divided by n. And lastly, if we have the power, okay, so if we have log base b of m to the power x, we can move or bring the powers in front of the log. So become x times log base b of m. So these are the four properties of logarithms. So let's go ahead and apply now. So let's say if I'm going to go ahead and write the example on this side. So for example, if we would like you to condense this expression, so we have log 6 plus log 3 minus log 9. Now, if we don't see the base, we must automatically know that the base is base 10. Okay, so it means if you don't see the base b, in this case the base b right here is 10. Okay. So the first step we are going to do is that we are going to start from left to right. I'm going to go ahead and use the sum property, so that will give us log of 6 times 3 be 18. Then I'll go ahead and bring down the log 9. So now next, we are going to use the differences property. So that will give us log of 18 divided by 9. So that will give us log of 2. So our final answer will be log of 2. Okay, let's go ahead and solve the logarithmic equation. Okay. So let's say if we have the equation look like this, okay. So if we have the equation like this, log, I'm gonna write in different color. Okay, this will be the second example. Let's say we have log of 20x plus log x equal 5. Okay. So the first thing we are going to do that we are going to use the sum property. So that will give us log 20 x squared. So my square, okay, x squared equal 5. Okay, so now the next step, we want to cancel the log, right? We want to solve for x. So how can we cancel the log? I need to show you one more note right here. Okay, so to solve logarithmic equation, so I'm going to write log base b of x equal c. We should exponentiate. It means that you raise it to the power each side of the equation u base b. So what it means right here that you go back to the given logarithmic equation and you go ahead and raise it to base. I'm gonna write right here. You raise it to base b. So think about if I put base b, and then copy down the rest. So with log of base b of x equal and b to the power c. And then in this case, on the left-hand side, it will cancel out. So that will just give you x on the left-hand side, and the right-hand side will be whatever that constant is. Okay, so you do the same thing here. So we are going to exponentiate each side of the equation use the base 10. We have the base 10 here, so I'm put 10 and then 10. And now go ahead and copy the rest on the exponent. Okay, so now you can see that we'll be able to cancel the log. So now we will have 20 x squared. It's 10 to the power of 5, which is 100,000. Now we just need to solve for x normally. So therefore, we say x squared, we divide both sides by 20. So x squared will be 5,000. Then we just need to take the square root from both sides. So therefore, that will give us x. Now here we have to be careful because I know that when we take the square root of something square, we will have two answers. One is positive and one is negative. But since we are dealing with log, we cannot take log of a negative number. So we will ignore the negative. So therefore, it will be square root of 5,000 positive. Now you're welcome to stop right here, or if you can continue for us. So we will factor this. So that will give us 50 square roots of 2. If you don't know where that 50 square roots of 2 come from, I can write a quick note right here for you. So the square roots of 5,000 will be equivalent with square roots of 2,500 times square roots of 2. So that will be 50 square roots of 2. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.